What's up everyone? Welcome to S-TEC TV. I'm Tony, and today we're just gonna dive right into it. So let me introduce you to the JMAZ Aero series. We've got these three lights here, and just to hit you with the top two things about these products. 1, battery power. 2, wireless DMX. And yes, these are moving headlights. They are totally one of a kind. At the time of filming this video, there are no other battery-powered wireless DMX moving headlights to my knowledge. So yeah, these are pretty freaking cool. So first up, we have the Aerobeam 60. This is running off of a 60-watt, 7500 Kelvin LED engine, and it features a color wheel, gobo wheel, motorized focus, and a rotating prism. The beam angle is super tight at only 2 degrees, so it will really pack a punch through your light show. It can run fully hardwired with DMX and PowerCon, or completely wireless. With the built-in battery, you can get up to 8 hours of runtime at full power, and it takes just about 5.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100. The Aerobeam 60 has 4 different operating modes: sound active, show mode, DMX controlled, or RF remote controlled. It has 10 and 12 channel DMX modes and comes with an RF remote for standalone control. This can run the 9 pre-programmed shows that are built into the light. One cool thing about this is you've got a DMX record and edit function built in. So you can program a custom pattern, save it to the light, bring it to your gig, set it up, turn it on, and just let it go. It's just incredible. The movement can be set to either 8-bit or 16-bit, and it has up to 630-degree pan and 270-degree tilt. The color wheel has 14 options, and the gobo wheel has 17. The Aerobeam 60 packs all of this in, weighing at 25 pounds. Pretty amazing, right? If you're finding this video interesting so far, there's a couple things we'd love for you to do. Click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. That's it. Okay, so now that I've done some switcheroo, next up in the spotlight is the Aerospot 60. Very similar to the Beam 60, but the biggest difference is it has a 12-degree beam angle, so it's much wider. It's much better for a spotlight. It's got a color wheel with 7 colors. For the gobos, you've got 1 rotatable wheel with 6 rotatable and interchangeable gobos. You can adjust the speed, it can rotate counterclockwise or clockwise. You can really customize this guy. It can run in either 11 or 13 DMX channel mode. You can get 8 hours of battery life, and you've got the 9 built-in shows, coming in at 24 pounds. It's a pretty amazing light. If you find yourself asking, who is this guy? Well, as I mentioned earlier, my name is Tony. I work here at the Peter E. Schmitt Company. We're a manufacturer representative in the New York metro area. We release these S-TEC TV videos every first Thursday of the month. They are always featuring a manufacturer that we represent, and we'll talk about all kinds of cool products. So if there are any products from our manufacturers that you want to know more about, leave a comment down below, and we will look into creating an S-TEC TV video all about that product. All right, one more swap, and then it's time for my favorite one. All right, so now that we've switched things up again, this guy I am especially excited about. This is the Aerowash 710Z. It has 7 10-watt RGBW LEDs. So you can really customize your color with this guy. And here's one of my favorite aspects to this. The LEDs are flicker-free, so you can use these in a video atmosphere without any concern. You are able to adjust the color temperature from 3200 to 8000 Kelvin. It's got an adjustable beam angle of 6 degrees to 60 degrees, so you can really adjust your coverage. Say you have a studio and you have multiple sets. If you have multiple of the 710Zs set up around the space, you can adjust your beam angles, your position, your color temperature to cover each set exactly how you want. Pretty neat. You will also get 8 hours of battery life from this. But here's a little surprise I haven't mentioned yet. This guy. This is an external battery that you can connect to the Aero series lights to give you an additional 7 hours of runtime. So that means you can get 15 hours of battery life if you also have the external battery, which is amazing. To take full advantage of the wireless functionality, you will also need the JMAZ wireless DMX transceiver. You can transmit a full DMX universe with this guy, so you can get a lot of use out of it. It's powered off of USB, and depending on if you're using it as a receiver or a transmitter, it also comes with this XLR converter. So with the Aero lights, you just set this up as a transmitter since the lights have the receiver built in. This next part is kind of neat. Using the button on the side, you can change which of the 7 groups you are using. There is a multicolor LED which signifies which of the 7 different transmit groups you are using. And as mentioned, each of those groups can transmit a full 512 channel DMX universe. So, you can do a lot of wireless DMX with this guy. So now, onto the part that everybody asks about, the price. These are incredibly affordable for what they do. These movers retail at $1199.99. That's an incredible price for the power and feature set that you get with these guys. And again, battery powered and wireless DMX. I can't reiterate that enough. Include the external battery pack for $199.99 and the JMAZ DMX transceiver for $54.99, and you will be able to run these movers up to 15 hours completely wirelessly. So to sum everything up from this video, battery powered, wireless DMX, moving headlights. Sound pretty appealing to you? Because it sure does to me. Head down to the description where you can click on links for each of the products featured today. So to wrap this up, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.